Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a HUGO cocktail. So here I have a glass filled with ice, 6 mint leaves, and 3 limes. I'm also going to use this St. Germain elderflower liqueur. It has light floral notes, but it also has a sweet flavor that hints pear and lychee. I also have some Prosecco. And by the way, the full recipe is in the description box down below. So I just like to tear up 3 leaves to kind of just release some of the flavors. So I'll put that in there. Now I'm just adding in 2 tablespoons of elderflower liqueur. And then I'll just fill the rest of the glass with Prosecco. And I'm just gonna garnish it with the limes and the remaining mint leaves. Raiden, down. Raiden, down. So refreshing. I think I'm gonna add more elderflower liqueur. Just to make it a little bit more sweet. That's good. Now that is a refreshing cocktail I think you're gonna love. Cheers!